about how to assemble things. And we are presenting how to assemble things and with this kit. Girls, I have tickets for exhibit. You wanna come with me? Yeah, sure. I have money to the space. Me too, but is it worth if we go there? Well, let's see it first. Good morning. Welcome to our assembling exhibit, and you'll like. Hope you like it. Exhibit. Thank you. So nice. Cool. Okay, thank you for coming in our exhibit. First things first, we're going to do our special gift bag assembly. So, in assembling a special gift bag, we need a box and then some wrappers, and then of course your gift that will be put into your box. First, assemble the top of the box, fold along sides of the box. The next, insert top and short sides. Then fold and secure it by leaving the corner of the long side. Then the next step, repeat step 1 and 2 for the bottom part of the box. Then, you're going, then after that, afterwards, tie the ribbon around the back into a bow. Pasa mo na lang ito. And this is the product. If you want, you can apply some some colorful materials to add beautification in your box. Now, in our special gift box assembly, the transition signals we use first, next, then after that, and afterwards. Now we're going on the next. In electrical assembly direction, first, install rear guard assembly to motor assembly before tightening it.
Then we will put the guard blocking now to make it lock. So that
Turning clockwise. Next, put the blade and the blade fastener by tightening blade.
is the bigger the L.
By fastener, blade fastener by tightening the counterclockwise. Afterwards, install front guard assembly over the rear guard assembly. Lastly, secure firmly by tightening the guard holder by the hook. The transition markers that we use are first, next, before, afterwards.